come from Coventry University. I was a biomedical science student. I have started my internship from June. I have been working here from the last 3 months and I have worked within the MURTI lab. So the main focus of this was on the molecular biology and microbiology, bioinformatics and data science. My experiment was basically on the soil sample that we have collected from within this campus. So we try to find out how different species play a different role in the microbial community. So that contains spread plating methods, provot plating methods, and the microscopy as well. The major responsibility of being an intern is always working under the supervision of your lab assistants or the teachers. You learn a lot of things in that way. So I think the most rewarding part of this internship was to become a part of GITAM Bengaluru, as this university is really prestigious and known for its laboratory skills and the lab work. So I get a big opportunity to work here and to gain more experience and to learn the things that I haven't learned during my university time.